Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you about the tools which you can use in Pixelcut AI photo editor. So first of all, you'll have to install this Pixel AI photo editor from your app store, and once you've got it installed, just click on open, and once you come here you'll be redirected to the home page and you'll be able to see this tools icon over here, and just click on that. Now these are the tools which you can use on your Pixelcut. So you can see that this is upscale. What upscale does is that it elevates your picture, making it to look HD. But this is a pro feature. You can just, if you want to utilize this feature, you can click on get pro and you can use that. You can even remove your background of the pictures and magic eraser. If you have any unwanted thing in your image, you can just crop that, and that will be removed through AI. And you can also add AI backgrounds, but this is a pro version. And you can also add some AI photos, upscale, that is, we already discussed that earlier. Then we have batch edit, uncrop, carousels, AI shadows, we have recolor, we have collages, and virtual try on. This is a very nice feature, but it isn't pro. You can, if you like some clothes and you want to see that how they look on you, you can just use this virtual try on. And then we have resize, camera, and all of these. So this is a very nice tool. If you can buy your if you can buy your pro version on Pixelcut, please surely do that, because it's a great investment. So this is how you can use tools on Pixelcut. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.